Hello students, welcome to SGRBCC. Today we will discuss paper number 343, directions 1 to 4. Study the following information carefully and answer the given below questions. 8 persons sit in parallel rows such that 4 persons A, B, C, D sit in row 1 and face north direction, and remaining 4 persons P, Q, R, S sit in row 2 faces south direction. The persons sit in row 1 faces the person sit in row 2, vice versa. And next, each person belonging to different countries like Japan, USA, Canada, Egypt, Cuba, Iran, Italy and China. All the information not necessarily in the same order. So, here we have totally 8 persons, 4 persons are sitting in each side. It is the possibility 1, possibility 2. Next, A, B, C, D sit in row 1 faces north direction. So, A, B, C, D placing here, all are facing north direction. And next, P, Q, R, S sitting in row 2 faces south direction. Each one is facing other. Okay, it is the possibility 1, it is the possibility 2. It is the right side of ABCD, left side of ABCD, right side and left side. And each one belongings from different countries. So, starting from according to this, the one who belongs to Iran sits second to the left of R. Only one person sits between B and A. B faces neither R nor the one who belongs to Iran. And the one who belongs to Egypt sits to the immediate right of A and sits at extreme end. Suppose if A is facing here Egypt placing here, and also here also A and Egypt. Next, between A and B there is only one person. Next, first point, the one who belongs to Iran sits second to the left of R, and B faces neither R nor one who belongs to Iran. B is not facing R and Iran is second to the left of R. If R is placing here, Iran placing here. Next, second possibility, R and Iran. Next point, S faces C, and who sits second to the right of the one who faces the one who belongs to Japan. So, S is facing C, so only one possibility we left, S and C. And next point, SC who sits second to the right of the one who faces the one who belongs to Japan. So, this person is the second to the left of C, and C is the second to the right of this person, and this person is facing Japan. It means R belongings from Japan. No need with second possibility. P faces the one who belongs to Cuba. So, here we have two possibilities. We do not know where P is placing here, and P is placing the one who belongs to Cuba, P and Cuba. Next, D sits second to the left of the one who belongs to Canada. So, here D is placing, and second to the D sits to the left of the one who belongs to Canada. So, only two persons of right of D. C is belongs from Egypt, remaining person A from Canada. And next, Q and the one who belongs to, so if A is from Canada, P is facing Cuba. So, P and B belongs to Cuba. Next point, Q and the one who belongs to Italy didn't sit any in the same row. So, here Q is placing, so Italy and Q both are not in same row, it means Italy is Delhi. So, D. Next, the one who belongs to China doesn't sit adjacent to S. So, only two persons we left, Q and P. So, Q is not from China. Why? Because China is not adjacent to S. So, P from China and remaining USA, and Q is from USA. So, it is the final arrangement of the puzzle. Let us move on to the questions. Question number 1. Who among the following belongs to USA? That is Q. Which of the following statement are true? So, no one sits to the right of S. So, actually 3 persons are to the right of S, and more than one person between P and R. No one is between P and R. R faces the one who belongs to Cuba. So, R is Italy, facing Italy. C adjacent to A. So, fourth one is the correct one. Who among the following persons sit between B and the one who faces the one who belongs to Iran. So who among the following persons sit between B? So B and the one who faces the one who belongs to Iran. So Iran is facing C, that person is Egypt. Between both we have two persons is there. So both D and A. So just observe this line. Question number 4. Find the odd one out. So P is end of the row and Q is now middle of the row, and B, S and C remaining except Q, remaining all persons are sitting end of the row. Next, 5 to 8. Study the following information and answer the below questions. So here we have a blood relation. A is the only son of Q, who is brother-in-law of Y. So A is the only son of Q and Q is the brother-in-law of Y. So it means Y has a brother, Y has a sister. This sister is married by Q. Next, U is the mother of B, but she is not the spouse of Q. So U is the mother of B. She is not the spouse of Q. Spouse means either husband or wife. Y is the unmarried brother of Z. So Y is the unmarried brother of Z. Suppose if Z is placed in here. Next, unmarried brother, Y is the male candidate. X is the paternal aunt of B. So paternal aunt means, so maternal and paternal. Paternal means father's sister, and next paternal aunt means maternal aunt means mother's sister. Okay. So X is the paternal aunt of B. So paternal aunt. Suppose B's father's sister she was. And next point, whereas V is the daughter-in-law of A. So V is the daughter-in-law of A. It means V has a son. This person is married V. Next point, no single parent has a child and equal number of male and females are there in the family. So X and Z are both husband and wife. Y is the brother of Z, and next A is the only son of Q and Z. So next point is, so if X is the daughter of Q and Z, and next Q and Z, X is the paternal aunt. So paternal aunt means A is the father of B and U is the wife of A. Both A and X are spouses, siblings, brother and sisters. So it is the final arrangement of the puzzle. Questions. See the question. Question number 5. A belongs to which of the following countries? So A belongs to which of the following countries? This is not correct one. And coming to the next one, 6. How is X related to Y? So X related to Y. So X related to Y, it is the niece. If J is the brother of V, so J is the brother of V. J is the brother of V. How J related to B? So J is the brother-in-law of B. Who among the following person mother of A? That is Z. So this question is previous puzzle question. A belongs to which of the following countries? So say A belongs to, that is Canada. That is Canada. So just a printing mistake it is. Next, 9 to 13. Here we have one more puzzle. 7 persons A, B, C, D, E, F, G, different years, born in different years, 1969, 73, 78, 82, 88, 90 and 1995, but not necessarily in the same order. Age of each person is calculated on the base of 2022 year. So first one is the born year, and next person, and next to it is the age of each one. So see, starting from 1969, 73, and next 78, 82 and 88, 90, 95. So total 7 persons. So what is the age of each person? So age was calculated on 2022. So 69. So 69 to 2000, that is 31 plus 22. So it is 53. So 53 years. Next 73. So it is 49 years. Next 44 years. 78 means 22 plus 22. So that is 44 years. Next 82. 82 to 2000, that is 18. 18 plus 22, that is 40. Next 88. So it means 12 plus 22, that is 34. And next 90, it is 32. And finally 95 means 27 years. So it is the age and it is the person. See the first one. C is 2 years older than E. So 2 years older than E. So where we can place C and E? So C between 88 to 90. So the difference between these two is 2 years. So C is 2 years older than E. So E and C. E and C. And only one possibility we have. Next point. The age difference between F and E is perfect cube number. So E and F, it is the perfect cube. Okay, E is 32 years. So E is 32 years. And next, what are the cubes we have? So 2 and 8, 27, 64, up to 64. It is the 4 cube. Okay. Difference of first of all 8 check చేయండి ఒకసారి. సో 82 and 90 ఈ రెండింటి మధ్య డిఫరెన్స్ ఎంత 8 ఇయర్స్ ఉంది అంటే ఇట్ ఈస్ ద పర్ఫెక్ట్ క్యూబ్ మేబీ ఎఫ్ ఈజ్ ప్లేసింగ్ హియర్. అండ్ వన్ మోర్ పాసిబిలిటీ ఏంటి 27 ఇయర్స్. సో 27 ఇయర్స్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది మనకి? సో 32 ప్లస్ 27 9 59. సో మనకి 59 ఎక్కడ లేదు కాబట్టి సో ఓన్లీ వన్ పాసిబిలిటీ వీ లెఫ్ట్. నెక్స్ట్ పాయింట్. The number of persons born after E, same number of persons born before D. So after E 1 person, before D 1 person. The difference between the age of D and B is a prime number. So D and B, that is prime number. So see 53 minus 49, it is 4. 49 minus 44, it is 5. And next 27, 49 minus 27. So 9 minus 7, it is 2. It is not perfect square. So here B is placing. A is older than G. So G and A. So it is the final arrangement. And let us move on to the questions. Simple puzzle it is. What is the age of A? So age of A, that is 53 years. What is the sum of the age of D, B and F? D, B, F. So D is 49 and B, that is 44, and next F, that is 40. So 13 and 13. So 133 years. Question number 11. So which of the following doesn't belonging into the group? So D, B, F, C and E. So see D 49 years and next B 44 years, F 40 years and C and E 32 years. Only that is D. D is the odd number age. Next question number 12. Which of the following statement is true? So see first one, A is oldest among all. So first one is the correct one. And next C was born in 1988. It is also correct. No one born after E. It is not correct. After E we have G. Only 1 and 2 is correct. What is the difference between the age of A and G? So A is 53 years, G is 27 years. So 13 minus 7, it is 6 and 26. 26 years is the answer. Next, find odd one out. R, U and W. R, S, T, U. So it is plus 3. V and W, it is plus 2. Next, P, Q, R, S. It is plus 3. S, T and U, it is plus 2. J, K, L, it is plus 2. And next, M, N, it is also plus 2. So it is the different one. Next, question number 15 to 17, we have inequalities. So see the first one, statement, conclusion, 15th one, conclusion, O greater than I. So O greater than I. So O here from I to O. So see I to j. So I less than j, j less than q equal to z. So first one is definitely follows. Next, t m greater than t. So before here we have two opposite signs. Okay, so here we have two opposite signs. So this one definitely not follows. Next, p greater than m. So here also we have two opposite signs. So this is also not correct one. Only one is correct one. Next, n greater than y. So n greater than y. So y here. So before y we have a, and so here we have two opposite signs. So there is no connection between statement 1 and statement 2. So why? Because here we have two opposite signs. First one is not correct. Next, b greater than m. So m here. So m equal to c. So c equal to p. Second one is definitely follows. P less than n. So p less than n. Here we have only opposite sign. So this is also not correct. Only second one is correct. 17th question. X greater than O. So see, x here greater than m, m greater than u, u equal to p. It means p equal to O. So first one is definitely follows. Next, e greater than I. So e here. So before e we have greater than. So here we have less than. So I ikkada opposite sign undi. So second one is not follows. Third one, h less than O. So here we have two opposite sign before and after of h. Second one is also does not follow. Only first one is correct one. Question number 18. How many pairs of letters there? Revolution. So each of which has a many letters between them in the word having each English alphabetical both forward and backward directions. So starting from R, S, T, U, V, W, X, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, V, W, X, Y, Z, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. So L, M, N, O, P, Q, U, V, W, X, Y, T, U, V, W, I, J, K, L. So O, N. So forward direction lo manaki elanti pairs levu. Coming to the backward direction. So M, so N, O. So N and O. First pair. P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. Next, so O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. I, J, K, L. So see I and L. M, N, O, P. So T, U. So T and U. Three pairs we got. V, W, X, Y, Z. Next, so T, U, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. J, K, L, M, N, O, P. O, P, Q, R. So O and R. So O and R. Already 4 we got. More than 3 is the answer. Next, 19 to 23. So 5 members, 5 persons A, B, C, D, E have different designations: GM, DGM, assistant manager, section officer and clerk in a company. The order of seniority is the same as the given. GM is the senior most and next clerk is the junior most designation. Each person has a different number of pens: 19, 23, 35, 39, 51, but not necessarily in the same order. So there are totally 5 person. Positions చూస్తే ఒకసారి GM, DGM, assistant manager and next section officer, clerk. So it is the first possibility, it is the second possibility. So see, starting from the one who has prime number of pens is not a senior most person, but 2 designations senior to D. Okay, prime number. So how many prime numbers we have? So we have numbers from starting from 19, 23, 35, 39, 51. So in this 19 is the prime number, 23 is the prime number, and remaining numbers are not prime numbers. So see, so the one who has a prime number pens not senior most person, but a 2 designation senior to D. Suppose if D here 1 2 here 19 is placing, it is the first possibility, 19 or 23. And next coming to this one D, and here 19 or 23 is placing, 19 or 23. Next C is junior to D. So junior to D means here D is not placing, here 19 and 23 also not placing, D and C is placing here. So here we kept, so here we keep, it is 19, it is 23. The one who has 39 pens just senior to E. So one place we left, that is 39, if 39 here, E is placing here. Next coming to the second possibility, 39 and E. Next, the difference between the pens E and C is 4. So E minus C is 4. So already E is 19 minus 4. Suppose 19 minus 4, it is we don't have 19 plus 4, that is 23. Okay. So E minus C, that is C is 23. It is the first possibility. Coming to the second possibility, E is 23, C is 19. Okay, one is addition, one is subtraction. Next, D has 12 pens more than C. So here D is placing. So here not D is placing here. So C. Next, D has 12 pens more than C. So it is 23 plus 2, 35. We have 35 number. So D has 35. Coming to this one, 19 plus 12. So 9, 11, it is 31. So we don't have 31 number. So this one is not correct possibility. It is the correct possibility. B is junior to the one who has 39. So B here and remaining A placing here. The remaining number, that is 51 placing here. So it is the final output of the puzzle. Let us move on to the questions. Question number 19. Who among the following has maximum number of pens? So that is 51, that is B. What is the designation of A? That is general manager. What is the sum of the number of pens does E, C and B? So E, C and B. So E has 19, C has 23 and B has 51. So 13, next 5, 9. It is 93. Question number 22. Find the odd one out. So A 39 correct one, E 19 correct, and B 51, D 35, last C is 39, not 39, it is 23. Which of the following statement is true? E has minimum number of pens. So E has 19 correct one, and C is designated as SO, so not correct. Next D is senior to A, it is also not correct, only one is correct. 24. If it is possible to make any meaningful word from second, fourth, fifth, sixth letters of the word. So second letter, that is I, fourth letter, that is C, fifth letter, that is O, and next sixth letter, that is V. So by using these letters we can't make any meaningful word. So what is the answer? If no meaningful word can be formed, take X as your answer. X is the answer. Next, coding and decoding. So see the first one. So first of all, try to find the code for each and every word, and next to do the answers. So first of all, observe which word is repeating most, starting from first two sentences. Stay calm, be ready. So ready for stay and quit, and calm nature for peace, and nature quit for calm. So see, calm, calm and calm. Calm is the most repeated word. So LM, and next LM and LM. LM is the code for calm. And next next that is B is not repeating anywhere, and stay and ready, stay and ready. So stay and ready, and stay and ready, repeating in first and second sentence only, stay or ready. So see, JK and next MN. So either JK or MN, coded as ready or stay. Next, that is B. What is the code for B? Remaining, that is RS. RS is the code for B. Coming to the second sentence, for quit. Next, quit చూడండి ఒకసారి, quit and quit. What is the code for quit? That is UT. UT is the code for quit. Next, for. So for and for. What is the code for for? RP. So RP is the code for for. Next, nature. So nature repeating in third and fourth. So that is VE. VE is the coded as nature. Next, remaining, that is peace. Peace is ST. These are the codes for each and every word. Let us move on to the questions. See the first question, question number 25. What will be the code for B? So B is coded as RS. What is the code for quit peace? So quit is UT, and next peace is code for ST. UT and ST. Which among the following words has coded as LM? So LM is coded as calm. What is the code for nature? So nature is coded as VE. If the code for the words ready to for coded as RP, YZ and JK, then what will be the code for stay to? So actually either stay or ready is coded as JK and MN. Here we have ready word. Ready is coded as that is JK. So ready is coded as JK, and remaining word, that is stay, is coded as MN. Okay, if stay is coded as MN, what is to code? So to code is what? We don't have to code, and find which code is not repeating in these codings. So to. So MN and RP. RP is repeated. So YZ, I think there is no YZ here. So MN and YZ is the answer. Question number 30. In the given words, workshop. Workshop. If the letters at even positions when counts from the left changed with its just preceding letters. So what is the question here? The letters which are in even places starting from left end, they are changing with the previous letters. So second, fourth, sixth and eighth. Okay, so these letters are changing previous letters, that is O before N, so K before J, and H before G and H, so P before O and P. And next, and the letters odd positions when counted from left end changed with just succeeding letters. So after it is W, X, R, S, S, T, next O and P. Okay, so these are the letters. So what is the final question? Then how many letters repeated in the word form? So which letter, how many letters are repeated? So there is no letter is repeating. What is the answer? None is the answer. Next, 31 to 35. 31 to 35 directions. So see the first one. 9 persons K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R and S purchase different products, one after another but not necessarily in the same order. Next, 3 persons purchase product between K and M. So between K and M, 3 persons are there, M and K. Next, R purchase product 2 persons before M. So R purchase 2 persons before M. And next, here also R is placing here, R is placing here. And next point, 2 persons purchase product between R and O who purchase product after K, after K. So R and O, there are 2 persons are there. So see 1 and 2, here O is placing, it is the one possibility. Next K and R, and so 1 2 1 2. So here O is placing. These two are one possibility. Next, coming to this one, so R and O, we have 2 persons and who purchased product before K. So before K, we don't know where K here already. So before K kada, before K anadu kabatti ee possibility anedi manaku raadu. Next point, L purchase product just after Q. So L and L. 4 persons purchase product between L and Q. So L and Q 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here Q is placed. So L 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here already M is there. So this possibility is not required. Next point, the number of persons purchase product before K is same number of persons purchase product after Q. So before K 1 person, after Q we have 1 person is there. P purchase product before S but after M. So P before S but after M. So here P and next here S is there. Remaining person that is N is placing here. So it is the final arrangement. Let us move on to the questions. 31. Who among the following purchase product third position counts from top, that is L. How many persons purchase product between O and P? So O and P 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 persons are there. 33. Which among the following statement is true? S purchase product before K. So not correct. No one purchase product before O. So it is correct. More than 3 persons purchase product after O, after R. It is also correct. Only 2 and 3 correct. The number of persons purchase product before L same as after P. Question number 35. Find the odd one out. So O and L. So O and L between 1 person, K and R between them 1 person, and L and N it is also 1 person between them. M and Q it is also 1 person, Q and S no person is purchased between Q and S, it is the odd one out. So it is the final question. So thanks for watching the class.